Alright guys, what's up? Garrett here with Derange, and I know it's been a very long time since I've been on video. We've been putting out different rides and all that kind of stuff, but I've been a little tied up. I have a bent rim that I'm hoping to get from Kawasaki by the end of this week finally. So I've been kind of down. I'll have some more videos coming out real soon. I've got some great stuff coming, some lights, some new whips from Rhino Lights, also some new strip, a new intercom setup, and also a way hopefully to get the heat out of the cab. So those videos will be coming up shortly as I get working on the KRX. But tonight I've hit just over 1,000 miles, so it's time to check out the CVT belt, take it off, show you guys what tools you need, and then measure it with the new OEM belt. So let's jump into this video and let's get that started, and hopefully we'll see that the belt still looks good. Alright guys, we're going to jump into this belt removal. So this is what you're going to need on the trail. So you're going to want to take an extension at least about 6 inches or so long, along with your ratchet, and then your sockets you're going to need a 17 millimeter, and that is for the bolt that you need to buy. I picked up mine. I picked up 2 of them, and I'll carry these in the KRX, but it's an M10 by 60 by 1.25. So the key is a 1.25. But it's 10 by 60, 1.25. Grab a couple of those. And then in order to remove everything, a 10 millimeter will remove the whole plastic housing cover over the belt. And then you'll remove two bolts on the main metal frame, which I'll show you that we pull over the clutch, and then also a 12 millimeter for the 2 nuts. So those are the tools you'll need. You'll need to put those in your KRX so you can always have them on hand. Also, after we pull the old belt, we're going to measure it with a new OEM belt. OEM belts are the only belts I run on my machines. I don't run different brands, I only run OEM. To me, they seem to do the best. So I don't know if I'm going to be putting the new belt on tonight or not, but we will measure them and we will check it out to see what the difference is between the two. Like I said, it's got 1,000 miles, just a little over 1,000 miles now on the machine. So we'll see how well the belt's held up.
Man, I bow my heart for the woman I will meet his hand, and for the children of a lost man.
Well, that wasn't the easiest to get off, but I am a little annoyed because if somebody's taken this off, they did not make sure that this was in the proper channel, and they've got it ripped here and ripped there. So I might be needing to go down and get a new seal before I put this back, just to make sure it seals it up better so less dust can get into it and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know if it came from the factory like this or what, but this is the first time I've taken it off, so I don't know, somebody didn't make sure it was in there, before they put it on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and remove this housing. So you're going to use a 10 millimeter socket for the top bolt and the bottom bolt right down in here. And then these 2 nuts here and there is going to take a 12 millimeter.
Choking on your words, poisoned by the well that you got them drinking from. They're drinking dirty water, drinking dirty water. Feeding them lies, feeding them lies, feeding them lies. I left my change on the table where I met his lies. The blind man screams, I got the cure that can fix your eyes, and got the key to the free life. drinking dirty water, choking on your words, poisoned by the well that you got them drinking from. They're drinking dirty water, drinking dirty water.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put in the bolts to remove the belt, and you're gonna need the M10x60 1.25 is what you want, the 1.25. Don't get a different size or it won't work. And we really only need one of them. Maybe we could put in another one too, but really only need one. We'll just start cranking this down.
Feeding them lies, feeding them lies, feeding them lies, oh. Sticks and stones are breaking bones, the words are killing souls. Sticks and stones are breaking bones, you're killing everyone you love.
All right, so there's the belt. So we'll get this all sprayed out with air, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll probably push this back into the garage because it's getting dark outside, and then I'll finish it up and show you guys the measurements and everything. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the belt that has just over 1,000 miles on it measured. So I have this set in inches. You guys can see this. 1.425. 1.425. So we'll go ahead and pull open the new belt here. .442. 1.442. There is not a huge difference in the belt size. So I'll be honest with you. I've got a brand new belt here. I could change it. As far as the wear and tear on this belt, everything looks pretty dang good. There isn't any issues on the existing belt. So, with that said, the question is, do I throw on the new one and keep this for a spare? Or do I throw this one back on? And you know what? I think I'm gonna throw on the new one since it's been 1,000 miles. Throw it on, keep this as a spare, and let's see how far this one will go. So hopefully next time I do a little video on the belt, I'll see if this does 3,000 miles or more. So anyways, the look of it with this one, the old one, for 1,000, little over 1,000 miles, this belt looks great. So I checked all the clutches as well and everything like that. Everything looks great on the clutches. So I'll get it all cleaned up inside there and get the new belt on, and we're good to go. So I'm pretty impressed so far with belt wear on the KRX 1000.
Sticks and stones are breaking bones, but your words are killing souls. Sticks and stones are breaking bones, but you can't see their hearts. No, you can't see their hearts. None of you blinded by your hate.
All right, guys, so that's it. We just finished up the belt on the KRX, and it was a breeze. Like I said before, compared to my TRX 4, way easier. But the only thing I wasn't able to do tonight was to put the cover back on because the little rubber seal around it is kind of destroyed from whoever messed with it before. I don't know. It was brand new, so it either came from the Kawasaki manufacturer or from the dealer when they checked the clutch bolts. I don't know, but they didn't make sure it was in all the way, so it got all torn up. So I'll have to go get a new one before I put that on. But like I said before, make sure you check out our many accessories that we have. Make sure you also check out our Amazon links that we leave in the descriptions of all the different items that we use. And you can click on those links to buy them. They're always in the description of our videos. Make sure you check out these mirrors. And like I said before, the windshields, the Rhino lights. And we also have some other cool stuff coming real soon. So till next time, Dave, Joe, and myself appreciate the support that you guys give us. Make sure you pack out whatever you pack in, and we'll catch you on the next one.